Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to apply conditional formatting in a matrix in Power BI. This feature is incredibly useful for making your data more visually intuitive, allowing you to spot trends and outliers at a glance through color-coded cells. First, open your Power BI application and navigate to the report where you've already created or want to work with a matrix visual. Once you're there, click directly on your matrix to select it. This is an important step because it activates the visualization option specifically for that matrix element. Now shift your attention to the right side of your screen. You'll see a panel labeled Visualizations. This is your control center for customizing how your matrix looks and behaves. Within this panel, look for the Format Your Visuals icon, which typically looks like a paint roller. Click on this icon to access all the formatting options available for your selected matrix. After clicking the Format icon, you'll see a list of formatting categories. Scroll down until you find Cell Elements and click on it. This section contains all the options you need to customize individual cells within your matrix, including the conditional formatting we're aiming to set up. Inside Cell Elements, you'll notice an option labeled Series. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. This drop-down allows you to choose which data measure you want to apply conditional formatting to. For example, you might select Sum of Sales from the list. This step is crucial because it tells Power BI exactly which values you want to format based on their performance or range. Once you've selected your data measure, look for the background color option directly below. You'll see a toggle button next to it. Click this toggle to turn it on. As soon as you activate it, Power BI will automatically apply conditional formatting to the cells in your matrix based on the selected measure. The cells will now display different background colors depending on their values, making it instantly easier to interpret your data visually. And that's it. You've successfully applied conditional formatting to your matrix in Power BI. Your data is now color-coded, making analysis faster and more intuitive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.